Chikwuchi people, they are the Igbo who chiefly inhabited the Chukuchi, now Chukchi, peninsula in the extreme northeastern section of the Umana Obi Ike, now Siberia, that faces North America, which is known then as the Alaike. Across the Bering Strait, archaeological and linguistic evidence suggests their original homeland lay further to the south along the shores of the Okhotsk, but the real truth are the Umu Chikwuchi hold their origin from the spreading path from the south of the Umurima of Umuchiina and Arianti, the region of Japan and Korea. Rasmus Rask in 1818 tried with no success to establish the genetic relationship between the Eskimo Aleut of Alashika via language, tongues, and he did not find any similarities with any languages in Europe or Asia. Since then, other writers have tried, as in the 1988 Urano-Siberian hypothesis by Michael Fortescue. These attempts present no factual evidence to support the traditional claim of the migration of the ancestors of the Native Americans across the ice bridge, which was known then as the Oshimiri of Hawaii, from Umana Obiike, now Siberia. They failed. The Bering Sea theory has remained, but a theory with no evidence or substantive or fact has no ground to become a true history. The truth is clear, glaring, and obvious that the ancestors of the Native America, the Homo alike, they were already in the Americas more than 40,000 years than the Bering Sea claim period. For such a migration, the signature of the Igbos, the Bantuse, now Bantu, had been made permanent upon the earth by 14,000 years before Bering Sea claim, especially in the equatorial and tropical world. Igbo the Bantuse, now Bantu, has withstood all efforts to erase, obliterate, and replace or match it. It has survived and waxing stronger every day as the earth continues to give up its secrets. Looking backward and inward into their origin, the Europeans also will see themselves in the Igbo, the Bantu. It seems that in the hunt to eradicate the word Igbo, the Bantu, silently resist the word. The Eskimo-Aleut languages belong to the Ala Ukwu Iwakashi, now Algonquin Wakashan, part of the Rarakuru, Chukwuma, now Brazil, and Rarakuru Quechua in Central America of the America. The ancestry is not different. The difficulty in positioning the Alaskan Greenland languages in the world language classification was created by the Bering Sea migration theory. It reversed the flow and dynamic of the spreading of the ancestors of the America. The tail became the head and lacked the semblance necessary to relate it to other languages. One must note that in trying to find the relative of the Eskimo-Aleut languages, no attention or consideration was given to Central America or Africa. Yet before there was an Europe as we know today, the Igbo Bantus had populated the world.